So, are there mistakes? Actually, we are very amazed with these new technologies, but do companies make mistakes?
The companies, more than companies, it's more in the data collection methods or the sources of data. When we're talking about data, we definitely live with mistakes in the data, what I call missing values or null values. And the way we deal with this information is we have deviation detection algorithms. We have anomaly detection algorithms to actually detect these anomalies and correct for them, as in use some substitute value in place of the erroneous value.
Mm-hmm. So data science and data scientists are becoming very important, I believe.
Yes, believe it or not, even the U.S. President Obama currently has a chief data scientist among his staff. So Hepsiburada also followed on that track, and they pretty much instituted a data science team. So I am in the process of forming a small team of data scientists at Hepsiburada.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell us about these steps, this data science and data scientist, and also other steps that you're taking within Hepsiburada?
Sure, yeah. Data science is really a process of turning data into information and information into business solutions. As I actually discussed, we have hundreds of thousands of features at a customer level. We know what actions these customers take in the form of whether they looked at items, whether they clicked on items, whether they converted, whether they purchased items, and so forth. So we basically tediously detect the patterns behind these different customer actions. We basically translate these learnings in the form of models, and we then score all of the eligible customers, and we identify these lookalike the customers that fit the profile of those that have taken these actions. And then we continuously target these customers. We know their propensities, we know their channels of preference, we know their activity segment, whether they are new, current, or inactive. We know their value segment. When you actually combine all these different dimensions, you really kind of attain the market, what they call the marketing 360, kind of the nirvana of marketing and sales, that you want to be able to assess customers from a 360-degree angle.
What chance I give to my guests is actually to have a last word here at the end of the conversation. So is there something important that you want to focus on?
Sure. I want to kind of maybe briefly touch on the returns to your analytic investments at Hepsiburada. For example, we have a pricing initiative, and as a result of this pricing initiative, we're actually able to see 20% improvement in revenue and 25% improvement over margins. So these things, when done properly, can have huge returns to investment. And I guess the key is to do them right.
Okay. Ismail Bey, it was a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.